Hello everyone, welcome to our new listing in the beautiful city of Brampton. This beautiful house, built on an extra wide lot of 48 feet, has double car garage, more than 2400 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 washroom, finished basement for your use. Let's go inside and have a look into the beauty of this house. Main attraction of this house is 18-foot ceiling of living room, which is adding more natural light into the house. Separate dining room. A beautiful maple kitchen. Cozy family room with a fireplace to enjoy your time with the family. This house has lots of natural light with large windows. Second floor has 4 bedrooms and 2 full washrooms. If you are looking to buy a house in Brampton, call us today at 226-270-5000 or 226-270-6000.